part 2 of the vultures. He finally found a parking space, and there's like 180,000. Oh, look at that. Speaking of who?
Hey. Yeah. These vultures all followed this guy,
vultures,
right? You know what
man,
I did?
tell
I
you
followed
what.
him down the highway.
It looked
to
like
check
a
this out.
goddamn parade,
What's
man.
up,
Like
man?
a funeral procession. Look at Pete's already going for the high-end smalls. I mean, geez, you guys could have put a few more in here.
See that? The rusty one in there? Okay, that's the second one, right? That look like. I can't remember what that one is.
Early, like it's like 1890s.
Right, yeah, right. The rusty one?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Look at these guys. Like flies on shit. Absolutely disgusting.